delete this one. Select the surface, hold Ctrl key the surface here, make them concentric. Front plane, select the front plane, hold Ctrl key on the keyboard, select the surface here, make them coincident. Expand the handle pin. In place, delete it. Yes. Select this handle pin, hold Ctrl key on the keyboard, select this face, make them concentric. Now let's see what's wrong with this one. Okay, it should start from here to inside, but something is wrong. Let's go back. Let's turn it back to the initial value and go to edit it from there, from that point. I think it's going to be everything more clear. We're going to have a better view. Okay, let's go. Right click, edit part. Revolved Boss, sketch, edit sketch. We have to select this line here, hold Ctrl key at the keyboard, select this point here, and make them coincident. This center line with this center line here collinear. Okay. Perfect. Let's go back. Exit sketch. Edit component to exit the component. Equations. Change the value to 180. And it's done. Excellent. Right. Perfect. Select this surface with this surface with this surface here. Make them coincident.